Welcome to the Advanced Angelic Healing Practitioner Diploma course. My name is Tanya Magdalene, and I will be your guide as we travel through the angelic realms in this advanced level of training. This course is the next level following the Certified Angelic Practitioner course, which is available on Udemy, and you will need to have completed that training first before doing this level. To those students who I have connected with in messages, through the Udemy Messenger board or through emails, welcome back. It's lovely to connect with you and to have met so many of you as friends. So it's wonderful. In this next level of training, we will attune to the 7 main archangels. We will visit the archangelic realm of Lyra. We will learn about the golden angelic ray of healing. We will work with the soul star chakra, which many of you may not have heard of. We will work with Venus, the planet. And we will work with ancient symbols and learn 9 procedures to guide you through running a complete advanced level angelic healing on yourself and clients. There are step-by-step live demos of your healing procedures so that you can be confident when you are doing them yourselves. You will learn everything you need to set up in business as an advanced level angelic healer, and as an advanced healer, you will be able to charge more for your healings. Your course will be certified and accredited by the International Association of Therapists, and you will also be eligible for 1 year's free membership and a free directory listing on their website, though this is by no means compulsory.